Hi, I'm back again for a little update on my 100-day project, my 100 days of doodles. Um, I just wanted to show you the different things I had been doing. Here, let's put some of this over here and catch you up on where I stand. I've been very good in the fact that I have been doing at least one doodle every day. I, of course, had some catching up to do. So uh, this is day 6 and day 7, day 8. This one's day 9. This was something that was in there, so we'll just ignore that one. I really like this one. This is day 10, 11, and 12. Some days I do 2 or 3 because I have catching up to do. I am not completely caught up yet, but I wanted to do an update for the week. This is, I think, 12. This one is 13 and 14. This one's day 15. I really like this one. And it's kind of funny, it's all brown, but I really like it. Sometimes, and I'll show you in a few minutes, I've got a couple I really don't like. That's day 15. This is day 16. And 17 and 18. And I'm not sure whether I don't like the doodles here or I don't like the colors. Down the road, I may try to do some more and see what happens. Just do another one just like this one and see what happens. But I don't want to use it as one of my doodles. I'm trying to do something different every day. So this is 17 and 18. This whole 2 pages I'm not really happy with. There again, I'm not sure whether it's colors or just exactly what, but for some reason, none of these make me really happy. But this one is 19 and 20, 21 and 22. Now, this number 22 was done this morning. Today is the 1st of May. I thought I'd do one doodle. I'm still catching up because as of the 1st of May, I needed to have had, I think, 28 finished. So I thought I would do another one while we're on here today and just see what I come up with. Sometimes I have to think before I can start. I'm just wondering if there's anybody else out there that's watching this that has been doing the project, and if you're liking it, and do comment if you are. It would be fun to see what everybody else is doing. I never know where I'm going when I start. I just start, and this is supposed to be doodles, so doodles are just that, very random kind of things, I guess. So I guess maybe some people plan their doodles. I don't. However, that's kind of looking like a cactus to me. I have no idea why, but it does. probably because it's spiky. Well, our weather here in Florida decided to go from cool and nice and wonderful to flat out hot. So it means I have to get up early and make beads early because it doesn't take long before it's too hot to make beads. I mean, I guess I could turn the air conditioner on and make beads. That's always an option. But at the same time, I try not to, if I don't have to, turn the air conditioner on just to make beads. I'm guessing in another week we will be using the air conditioner every day and all day. I don't know. We had a very cool winter here. We lost a couple beds of plants that I was really sad to see go, but they'll come back. They just are not going to be back as large and nice as they were last year. We had elephant ears here, which are these gigantic green plant things that they were huge. They were bigger than a car tire, and the freeze got them. Now all the little babies are coming back, but now I'm using water-based brush markers to color these. And last week when I started the project, I told you that I was thinking about using another traveler's notebook I already had to do this in when this one fills up. I think I'm going to make another one with the mixed media paper in it because I really am enjoying what's going on. I'm having a lot of fun with the markers, which that's kind of odd for me because I don't really like to color, and I know that's kind of strange. Someone wouldn't like to color. I don't like color crayons, which is really strange. But I am really enjoying using these markers. I've had them a long time. I'm surprised they're still as juicy as they are. I have refills, I think, for all the colors, but that would mean thinking about having to get them filled back up. So. And that was one of the things, these markers come in a color palette kind of thing. And I used a dusty kind of color palette, and I don't know. I don't know if I just don't like it or if I just didn't like it with the doodles. I'm not real sure. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying watching me do this. I mean, I'm not sure watching me color is all that exciting. If you do enjoy my channel and my videos, please do subscribe. I'm having a lot of fun. I am not getting to make near as many videos as I would like. We just seem to have little emergencies in our lives almost weekly. But I think that's true for all of us. So, my husband went off to Home Depot today, so it was quiet and I could film. He's got to go to town tomorrow. He did our lawn yesterday, and he has to go to town tomorrow and do 3 lawns. He does my mom's lawn and his dad's lawn, and then he will do another lawn for the lady who lives across the street from my father-in-law. She's older and cannot do her own lawn, and so when Jeff goes in to mow the other two, he just does hers too. The big thing is the heat is hard. To do one lawn in the morning is one thing, but to get 3 done is a little hard. So, now I think if you looked at the color combinations, and you can go back through the video and take a look at them again, I have a tendency to pick an odd number of colors, and I usually pick 3 or 5. I don't usually do something with just 2 colors. Don't know why, it's just what I do. I'm liking the way they look when I do that, so that's what I'm doing. If you are doing the 100-day project, please do me a favor and in the comments section, tell me a little bit about your project. I'd love to stop by either your YouTube channel or your Instagram. I know I told you all when I set up the video the last time. Instagram is something I have not been doing. I'm not sure. I had a terrible time trying to post. I had to send the photos to my phone to do it. I could not seem to be able to find any way to do it from my computer, which yeah, I can do things from my phone, but it's just like it's not one of those things that I really wanted to do because I had used my camera to take pictures. So, anyways, I learned that I learned how to do it. I haven't been doing it every day. I will probably do an update on Instagram again after I finish this video up. I know that I should be able to figure it all out, but it's one more thing and it just adds to my list of things to do. Well, there we are. We're almost done with another doodle. And I can't remember which day that is. 20 something. I'm catching up pretty quick. It didn't take long to catch up. But I wanted to pick something that I knew I could accomplish. So there's my latest doodle. That'll be for day 23. And let's bring in so you can see that one real well. Oops, that's the wrong way. There we go. So anyways, that's my doodle for today, and I thank you for coming by, and I hope that you would like to subscribe to my channel and see when I do other videos. Do make sure to press that little bell as well. That'll tell you when I've uploaded. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good afternoon.